Welcome back. Bingo Reverse Mortgage is a local brokerage firm specializing in reverse mortgages, a unique loan option that helps those 55 and older utilize their home equity to stretch their retirement budget. April Perez from Bingo Reverse Mortgage joins us now to help us really navigate through the reverse mortgage process. And this is the question I always start with because I think it's so important, and that is, what is exactly a reverse mortgage?
Thank you so much for having me, Gina. So a reverse mortgage is a program that's designed to allow those 55 and older to access a portion of their home's equity with no monthly principal and interest payment. They can actually eliminate an existing mortgage and free up discretionary income.
That's pretty nice, but how do they actually use it, I guess? Because once you know what it is, to actually use it's a little bit different, right?
Absolutely. So there's tons of different ways that somebody can use a reverse mortgage, but the most common that we see are to boost retirement income, eliminate a monthly mortgage payment, get cash in the bank, and overall just financial peace of mind. Seniors are worried they haven't saved enough for retirement. They're healthy, they're living longer, and there's that concern of running out of money. Baby boomers are actually the first generation to have to fund their own retirement.
This is something that I know a lot of people and the people at home watching right now are either talking to their own parents about or are dealing with themselves. So how can we increase the odds that they're not going to run out of their money?
So there's three buckets that people generally draw money from. You have income, assets, and home equity. The thing about home equity is it's usually the largest piece of somebody's net worth, but you can't access it and you're not earning any interest on it. A reverse mortgage allows you to access your home's equity and potentially earn interest on it without actually having to sell your home. It's also very important to mention that the funds from a reverse mortgage are tax-free because loans aren't taxed. So you get to live in the comfort of your own home, which, let's face it, our homes are where we feel safest.
Absolutely. So you use the word equity, which makes me think of home equity line of credit, right? So what's the difference between that and then the reverse mortgage?
So with a traditional home equity loan, it's for a set period of time, you make monthly payments, and usually for a set amount of money. Compare that to a reverse mortgage that's set up for the rest of your life. There's no monthly principal and interest payment, and you're not required to make those payments.
Right.
So you get to utilize the equity in your home without having to sell it, like I said. And
well, this is the thing I always wonder too. Right now, we have got home values still sky high,
Absolutely.
Right? And really interest rates are still relatively low, although they tell us they're going to be increasing them, right?
Right.
So right now it seems like the perfect time. If you're going to utilize this, if you're going to do something like this, you want to do it probably right now.
Absolutely. Well, and Colorado is a great market for reverse mortgages because our property values are through the roof. Interest rates are on the rise. We've seen quite a bit of a rise in them over the last several months, but they are still relatively low. So now is a great time to do a reverse mortgage because the lower the interest rate, the more money you have access to. Now, I always want to mention that you still got to pay your property taxes, your insurance, and any HOA fees. But as long as you live in the home, you stay in it and live independently.
See, this is so nice because people have options. And I think a lot of times they get to an age and they think, okay, well, I'm not working actively every day, or I'm in retirement, I have my limited choices. But you're saying not only do they have them, but if they call, you can actually explain it probably in even more detail, right?
Yes. Oh, absolutely. So we're local. We do consultations over the phone or in person, whatever you're more comfortable with, just to get to know you and make sure it's a good fit for you. We want to make sure that this program is going to help you reach your goals and objectives. It's a super simple process to get started, and we get some basic information from you, and then we walk hand in hand with you throughout the entire process. And with interest rates still relatively low and our special offer, the only question you're going to have is, why didn't you call it sooner?
Right, that is going to be the case. I want to go back just, if you don't mind, and again show and delineate the difference between home equity line of credit, right, and then the reverse mortgage, because they are different.
Correct. So with the home equity line of credit, the biggest factor there is you're looking at the principal and interest monthly payment on that. So for somebody who's on a fixed income, you know, a new monthly payment is not necessarily what they're looking for. With a reverse mortgage, you're able to pull that equity out and you're not required to make a principal and interest payment. But once again, you do still need to cover your taxes, your insurance, and any HOA fees.
All right, before we go, special offer.
Special offer, May is appraisal month. We will reimburse you for the cost of your appraisal, which is a $750 value.
Well, that's pretty nice. Look at you with your special May offer. I like this. April Perez, thank you so much. You can go ahead and call Bingo Reverse Mortgage now, and be sure to tell them you saw them on Mile High Living to get reimbursed on your appraisal during the month of May. And as she said, a $750 value. For more information, visit bingoreversemortgage.com or call 720-541-5545. They paid for today's segment. Stay with us.